Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a circle in Photoshop with radius. Let's begin. Create a new layer, press Q on your keyboard, right click, use ellipse tool, shape or path as you wish. Example, I shape without fill and stroke color, red, solid line, hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Increase the size. Right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster layer. Then click any selection tool, hold Ctrl, select this, refine its use radius, smooth feather, shift its, that's it. Right click, again convert to smart object, raster layer. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.